It's about just wondering if you can actually ever really know someone deep down, or if we're all just masks walking around pretending. So, nice depressing start. Let's do it! Can you ever really know somebody? I always wanna hold you close.